Once you understand that reserves quicksand is real, that it leads to devastating consequences, and takes time, energy, and money to get out of, you're probably wondering, how do I avoid it in the first place? Join management consultant Julie Adamen and I as we share some time-tested strategies that will keep your association out of quicksand on its journey to a safe and successful future.
So we've introduced types of quicksand, how to get out of the quicksand, even as disgusting as the quicksand is, and now we'll spend a few minutes on the topic of avoiding the quicksand altogether. As you can imagine, it's a matter of seeing that trail ahead, that yellow brick road, and getting the proper guidance. And with that, I'm going to hand it off to Robert.
Fantastic. Thanks, Julie. Well, staying out of quicksand means understanding that Mother Nature and Father Time don't take a day off. If you fail to pay that deterioration bill, it's not going away. It just backs up. Every day your common areas are deteriorating, and every day you're not offsetting that deterioration with the properly sized reserve funding, you're falling behind. Just like if you fail to pay the water bill, it doesn't go away. You just have to pay 2 water bills next month. So reserve funding is not about the future. Understand that your job at the association, don't worry about 10 years in the future. Don't worry about the roof projected to fail 20 years into the future. Worry about how much the roof is deteriorating this much, and put that much money aside. If everyone takes care of the present, the future will take care of itself. So reserve funding is paying the bill of ongoing deterioration. Pay those on an ongoing basis. It's just like the bills you pay in the operating account. Reserve funding is the same, just a little bit at a time to offset deterioration. And like Julie said, it's not a matter of winging it. It's not wringing your hands and stressing and indecision. There are experts out there. Rely on them. Rely on your experienced manager. Rely on your credentialed reserves aid professional. They're there to do what they do. They do this all the time. They have insights that you don't have. They see the numbers more clearly, and they can help you stay safely and successfully on the trail. We want to get you to that Emerald City. And that means following National Reserve Study Standards best practices. And that means updating your reserve study on the basis of that diligent visual site inspection at least every 3 years. You need fresh, current information about where you are on the trail and what direction to go now. When you're traveling in the car, you set your navigation on and you're checking that to make sure you're on track. If there's traffic in the way, if you need to reroute, all those kinds of things, you want to be current with the information. And so you need that fresh information or you're going to get strayed off the path. And want to make sure that with that updated reserve study, okay, you get a fresh document. If you have any concerns, if you have any questions, reach out to your reserve study provider. Get guidance. Get that person's help staying on the trail. Don't be guessing. Remember that it's not a sign of weakness. They're there to help. Julie covered that earlier when she was talking about the business judgment rule. Reaching out for advice when you don't know the right thing to do is your responsibility. Asking questions is appropriate behavior. At Association Reserves, we make the present less stressful and the future more secure. If you want to join us in this mission, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment down below on what you'd like to see us address in a future video. Let's plan for your best future.